In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Google Chrome background image and also theme and color. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, once you open up Chrome web browser, you need to click right here at the top right hand corner at these three dots. Then go down to Help and then About Google Chrome. Right here, first off, we need to check if our Chrome web browser is up to date. Now it says that the Chrome web browser is nearly up to date, so now I'm gonna tap right here at Relaunch. That will close my Chrome browser, install the latest updates, and then it will reopen it back again. So guys, here we need to wait until it says Chrome is up to date, and after that I'm gonna create new tab. And now all we have to do is just click where it says Customize Chrome at the bottom right corner. And that's where we need to click at Change Theme. After that, we can select any image from that list to set it as a background. I can just select that one or that one, and once we click at an image, it will immediately be set as a current background for our Chrome web browser. We can activate refresh daily to switch between these images every day. And also here we can set solid color as a background. I like that one. And also from here, if we click at upload an image, we'll be able to set our custom image as a background here. Just click right there, select image on your computer, and then set it as a background if you would like to use your own image. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.